AI automation is the future. Businesses using AI automation today are saving thousands of hours, cutting costs, and improve profit margin by 30%. And the best part is, you don't even need a massive team or an expensive budget. With the help of GPT, you can use no-code tools like Zapier, Make.com, or NNN to help you put all this tech together to help improve and streamline operations by 10-fold, 20-fold. This is 2025. We're in business to work smarter but not harder. I personally use AI automation, and guys, I'm telling you, it's like a life hack. From managing my personal calendar, setting up reminders, all the way through to business, finance, and operations, all these automations help me not during my business hours but after hours as well. When offline, it is still running. In this video, I'm going to show you 9 AI automation that I use every single day. And if you follow along in this video, I promise you'll walk away with a proven system that you can use and implement today. Running a business on top of life is really hard, especially when you have to consider small little things like scheduling a meeting, replying to this guy's email, and actually thinking about your next deal, right, to close, following up and stuff like that. But not everything has to be done by you. And I'm not talking about adding extra hands either. Not your, let's get another VA or let's get another secretary in business. I'm talking about implementing AI automation that can help you reclaim at least 20 plus hours weekly. Here's exactly how I start my everyday. I've built an end-to-end flow that automatically sync all my tasks from Notion to Asana. And when I create a project in Notion, during my planning session, it automatically creates the corresponding task in Asana with proper assignment and due dates that surface all this information to my clients. For the second automation, I use end-to-end AI-powered workflow that helps me automatically assign incoming tasks to the right team member based on their workload, skill set, and availability. This workflow saves me at least 4 hours per week of project management overhead and increased productivity. System 3. Instead of manually creating a calendar invite, I've set up a workflow where I can simply send a message to any of my team members within Slack, and the system would automatically create a calendar event and push it out as an invitation. When it comes to business operations, client-facing work that consume our entire team is now handled by AI agents. I've built a comprehensive AI system that connects our website to our knowledge base. When a client asks a question through this AI agent, it will actually pull all the valuable information that we've connected from our website FAQ through to our support documentation and surface this valuable information back to our customer automatically. System 5. I've created an email automation that helps us monitor our support inbox, categorizing all our incoming emails by type and priority. And what it does, it automatically sends out responses to our recipients. System 6. Lead enrichment. Imagine every form submission that we get through our website now has AI scoring the lead based on the responses. Information like company size, employee headcount, specific industry, revenue, and so on. All in all, in my business, I've saved myself and my team up to 30 hours a week with all these AI automations. But life isn't all about work. As a business owner, I've learned that automation isn't just for the office. It helps me take control of my personal life, from routine to reminders. This automation helps me streamline the way I operate in and out of business. Automation 7. I have built a workflow that handles all my personal documentation. For example, tax file, contracts, medical records, and insurance. When I receive any important document through my email, my AI agent automatically helps me categorize it, extract key information like due dates or action items, and files it right into the Google Drive folder. Automation 8. I use a workflow connected to Firefly that helps me record all my personal calls and meetings. This is particularly useful for home projects or calls with my accountant. Automation 9. I use the same task agent that manages my business team to organize my personal life. I input my personal to-do or household tasks into Notion, and the AI would schedule them based on my availability. And here is how I piece everything together. I've created an automation hub using NNN that helps me operate all these systems seamlessly. Every weekend, usually on a Sunday, I would spend 30 minutes on my automation dashboard reviewing the week ahead. I can see exactly which are the dashboard that are working, workflows that are running. I even check the performance key metrics, make any adjustments based on my upcoming schedule. And the best part is, all my automations are connected. When a client starts to schedule a meeting with me, it automatically triggers for documents to get prepared. A follow-up task will get created and tagged in my CRM system, and even blocks out my personal time for preparation. The real magic happens when these systems work together. When a high priority lead comes in, it does not get qualified, but also triggers my calendar system to find optimal meeting time, preparing the relevant case study so I can bring it to this meeting, and even schedule a follow-up task in my project management system. And the result? I work 30% less, but accomplish 3 times more. The system manages the routine, enabling me to focus on growth and strategy. The best part about this automation is that there's no code. Tools like Zapier, Make.com, and NNN. You don't have to be a programmer to make it all happen. Most people think automation is for big established companies, but it is not the case. If you know how to put all these systems together, it will transform the way you live and work. Here's what I want you to do. From today's video, pick one, just one automation, and try and implement it this week. Don't try and build everything at once. Get one working and move on to the next. Feel free to also use the template that I've added in the description below. It will help you get started faster. If this opened your eyes as to what automations can do, then hit the subscribe button, as we will share more real-life systems that can help you save time and grow your business. And drop me a comment telling me which of the automation you're implementing first, and I'll read through every single one of the comments and create a follow-up video based on your question. Businesses that automate their operations will have a massive competitive advantage. And if you need help, do not hesitate to reach out. Grab a time with me. The link is in the description below. And I'll see you in the next one.